If you want to edit one of your files in your GitHub repository, there is a quick shortcut way of doing it. You can actually edit your files in a browser version of VS Code. So the shortcut is just when you're at the repository, you just have to press the full stop or the period key. So I'm gonna press the full period key, and then it will load the editor. And as you can see, this is like the Visual Code editor, and it's got most options there. File, save, and you got your preferences, and you can also browse all your files and folders, as you can see here. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to edit the README file, and I'm going to commit it, the changes, so it's going to reflect on my repository. So I'm just going to say this is a test to see to test the new editor. Okay, so I'm going to save this, go to File and Save, and then I should be able to, if you go to the repository, GitHub repository section, you should be able to see the changes. So I've got the changes here. So what I need to do is do a commit. So if I go to the tick, that's the commit button, and I'll click on it, and I'll put in a message, first revision. Okay, then I'll click on the tick. So you got to put in a message and then do a click, tick. So the changes have gone through. So if I go file and go back to my repository, and I go to the README file, and at the end, so this is the test. So that's worked. So that's a shortcut way of using editing your files directly on GitHub using a browser version of Visual Code.